In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your chart of accounts list in QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to sign in to access QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred internet browser and go to the QuickBooks login page. Once you're there, click on the sign in button, which will prompt you to enter your credentials. Choose QuickBooks Online from the options available if there are multiple QuickBooks services listed. This ensures you're headed in the right direction for online access. Next, type in your credentials. These would be the username and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Once you've entered these details, click on the Continue button to proceed. It's important to make sure that you're entering the correct information here, as incorrect credentials can delay your entry into the system. Once logged in, look for the Transactions tab on the left side of your dashboard. This is your navigation hub in QuickBooks, allowing you to view and manage financial data. Click on this tab, which will open a new menu of financial management options. Within this menu, you'll find the Chart of Accounts option. Click on it to open your full list of accounts. The Chart of Accounts in QuickBooks is essentially a complete listing of every account in your accounting system. Think of it as a financial scorecard that details every corner of your finances, from assets to liabilities and everything in between. Now that you've accessed the Chart of Accounts, you'll want to sort the list to make it easier to navigate. Begin by looking at the column header labeled Name. This is the primary feature you'll be using to organize your list. By clicking on the name header, you'll initiate an alphabetical sort of your accounts. This is extremely helpful for those times when you're searching for a specific account name, but just can't quite locate it quickly. But what if you want to sort your list differently? No worries. QuickBooks offers flexibility here. Besides sorting by name, you can click on other headers to organize by account type, detail type, QuickBooks balance, or bank balance. Customizing your view helps you find exactly what you need without any hassle. That's all there is to it. Sorting your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online doesn't have to be a daunting task, and with these simple steps you can efficiently organize your financial records in a way that suits your specific needs. Whether you're looking to tidy up your current view or prepare for an important meeting, using these sorting techniques can save you time and stress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips.